Hello and welcome again to our PowerPoint 2016 class where you're going to learn the key points of this wonderful tool to create presentations and projections. First of all, we're going to start with the backstage, which is this thing over here. And in order to see all the features that this app offers us, we have to click on new first, okay, and start a blank presentation. Once we do this, then we go to file, and then we can start with all the features that this tool offers us again. Right, so we're going to start with this home in which is straight away and easily we can click on blank presentation. We can go through some also tutorials, let's say, just to see how it works, or we just can start with something already done and made for us. Also, we can see down here, well, these are the themes, as I was saying, all right? So you can choose more themes apart from this one. In this case, just down below, we can see the recent documents that we have done already and the pinned ones, which are the most important ones, more or less, that we might use more often. In the case of new, if we click on new, again, we can start a new presentation. We can start with a welcoming or a welcome to PowerPoint document, or more themes such as this geometric color block. Also, we can search for online templates and themes in this part, or just check for more customized a document for you to start with. And you can have more angles, scientific discoveries, color watch. There are plenty of things, and they are all very cool. With open, we can just, as I was saying, you can open another document, which is the presentation, the normal ones that you normally use, or the pin ones that which is more important for you. Also, you can open something which is from this OneDrive, from online, from the internet. Also from this PC, from your PC, so you can check the files that you want. You can add another place, or you can browse from your PC as well. All right. You can like check them over here too, right? If we continue in save or in info, sorry, in here you can protect your presentation. As I was saying in Excel, you can protect it just by encrypting it, or you can mark a digital signature. You can restrict access, types of access, or you can check for the properties of or create new properties for this document. And you can add a title, you can add tags. If you don't know how to do these tags or how they work, you can check also the exit class, the first exit class, in which you will discover and find out the meaning of these properties. Also, you can see also another related date, last modified, created, and last printed. We haven't printed anything, so, and this is kind of new just for you to see how it works. And the author is going to be you, or is going to be another person, right? In order to know this person, okay, you need to sign in first. If we continue on save, because we haven't saved it yet, so we click here and straight away PowerPoint brings us to save us, because we need this to be saved as something in some place. So I can save it in my desktop. I can save it online. I can save it in this PC, in my desktop, or documents, or whatever, or online, or things like that. But first I need to save it as something, right? Then we'll go through print, but print will be afterwards, not right now. But in this tab, you can just save it as any type of, not save it, sorry, just print it however you want. In share, you can share it with other people, right? You can share it as an email. You can send it as an attachment, send it as a PDF, or send as an XPS as well, which is another PDF, let's say, and you can send it as an internet fax as well. But in order to do this, to share it with people, you need an account on Outlook. All right. The same for presenting in online. The same. You just need Microsoft account to start the online presentation. If you export it, you can export it by creating a PDF or XPS document. You can create a video as well, and those are the features or the options that you might have. Also, you can have a package presentation for CD, sorry, and you can create handouts. If you create handouts, it's like the same as creating a Word document in which people can see it in another document, let's say in a Word document. And also you can change the file type, which means that you can save it as a PowerPoint 97 or 2003 presentation templates. You can save it as many options as this PowerPoint gives you. Another thing that I want to point at is options, which is general. In this general option, we can see basic options of the PowerPoint. General options, just general options. If we go to proofing, this is to modify corrections and to put format to the text. Okay, so you can autocorrect options, you can enforce accent and uppercase in French. This is not our case, I don't want French right now. You can hide spelling and grammar errors, things like that. It's not going to be our case. And save. This is very important because I want PowerPoint to save our document every certain amount of minutes. Let's say I want to save it every 1 minute, just in case something happens, there's any mistake or something like that. So there's this thing working, which is save auto recover information every 1 minute. In case this is a close accidentally, which a PowerPoint does is to save it for you, and then once you open it again, you can auto recover your information. And the last thing you typed or you did within 1 minute. You can also check the language. You can change the language that you want, or you can have or check and play with any other options that PowerPoint gives you.